Okay, once you register, your name will appear on the top left-hand side. When you click your name, it'll tell you your profile information, and here's where you're going to add a class. When you hit add class, put the name of your class, choose the grade, and it's going to give you a class code. That class code, the students are going to use that class code in order to sign up for their accounts. They need that class code so that their name is going to be placed underneath your class title. So you don't actually have to enter any names. Their name will appear under your class name with that class code. So I'll show you how that works. Before the students go ahead and register, you probably will want to assign some articles to your students to read, or for them to read. So let's go ahead and just click on science, for example, and I'll click on reading a grape, and up here it says assign to, and I'm going to assign it to this particular class. Okay, that's all you have to do. And now we'll watch a student sign up for an account and what he sees on his end. Each of your students will need to register at NewsELA.com. They'll click sign in, register. I am a student. You need to type in the sign up code that was generated when you created your class. So I will they'll put in their first name, I would use their username like that they use with Gaggle. And their password has to be at least 6 characters. And then register. Okay. And we'll get this basically the same screen that the teacher would see, except if you go to the binder section, he'll see what the teacher assigned him to read, which happens to be a grape for junk food lovers, the cotton candy. So if he clicks on that, he's going to see this article. We'll read at his or her lexile level, and then we'll take the quiz, and I'm just gonna select the paragraph from the article that compares. Okay, I'm just gonna select this paragraph, and then you could notice you go back and you could review and change your answers if you want, and then when you click I'm done, and I got 0%. That's terrible. And then there's a review. So under the binder, it will say what lexile level the child read it at and their average. Let's see now what the teacher will see on her end. So this again is what the teacher is going to see. He or she will go to his or her binder, choose their class, and you can see now when I hit that plus sign that John Prairie took the assignment or took the quiz and scored a 0% at this particular lexile level. This program allows you to download the results to Excel into a report form. And that is what I would suggest doing, is downloading it to Excel. And that's basically how you use NewsELA. I hope this tutorial helped. Thanks.